Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Beatrice and I am so excited that you're here. If you're someone who is ready to take control of your finances, you want to build a sustainable income, learn how to invest, save, and create a legacy for your family, then you are in the right place. On this channel, we'll be talking about everything finances, how to invest, how to make more money, how to save, and how to create a legacy for our families. This channel is all about you. Whether you're trying to make your first dollar online, you're trying to save and grow more income, or find extra ways of how to diversify your income, I'm here to share ideas with you so we can all grow together. But one important thing I want you to note is that it's not all about money. It's about creating financial freedom. It's about creating that legacy. As an immigrant, as somebody who has gone through a lot of financial difficulty, I know what it means to be financially independent. Especially if you're a mom and you have financial independence, there are some things that you can be empowered to do that if you did not have the finances, you would feel stuck. On this channel, I want us to help each other to grow into being financially independent so that we can break those cycles, break those situations that we are put into because we don't have the finances to help us go to the next level.